everything. But when I touched down in Jamaica, from the parties to jerk chicken to oxtail to the rice and peas, I forgot about you. I forgot about the camera. I forgot that I need to give you guys a review, to the extent that I was literally eating everything. I mean, Jamaica got every food that you're looking in the world. Jamaica got all the spicy meals that you have to try. I mean, Africa got spicy meal, and if you find Africa in Jamaica, definitely every single food that you find in Jamaica got a trace back in Africa.
Respect to Wode Maya, our African brother, for standing with Jamaica. Let's shift the narrative for a moment and celebrate one of our African brothers who stood with Jamaica when it mattered most. This is Mishi Dex. Like, share, and subscribe. Today we want to take a moment to recognize Wode Maya, a man who didn't just come to Jamaica to film videos, he came to give back. After Hurricane Melissa battered parts of Jamaica and left many families struggling, Wode Maya used his platform to raise awareness and support for the people who needed help the most. But what makes this story even more powerful is the personal sacrifice behind it. At the time he traveled to Jamaica, his wife, Miss Trudy, was heavily pregnant after enduring 6 painful miscarriages in the past. For many men, that would be the moment to stay close to home and focus only on family. Yet even in that difficult moment, Wode Maya still came to Jamaica with a mission: to help people rebuild their lives.
Nestor, good to be back here in Jamaica. Even though this trip is not a pleasant one, I saw what happened. You all know what happened to the beautiful people of Jamaica. I mean, hurricane happened, and I felt the need to be there to support. I mean, I wanted to go earlier, but the things that I was dealing with, there was no way I could go earlier. But just a week before my wife gives birth, I showed up in Suriname and Jamaica in 72 hours. And you won't believe that when I left Jamaica to America, I got sick the same day, because everything that was happening or what I did within 72 hours was extreme, that it literally affected my body. I want to help rebuild, you know. But I think it's going to be us doing this together. I mean, I'm here today. I don't think I can do enough, but I believe that if we put our hands together, we can build one home at a time, yeah?
100%. 100%, man, because...
I also want to let you all know that there is a link in the description. We are raising funds to support the beautiful people of Jamaica. We need to help them rebuild. Have you seen that video? Have you seen the link? Please be part of this, because you and I, together with them, are one family. And it's time to help our fellow brothers and sisters.
Because we are not lazy, we work hard out here, so it's not like we just want handout. We just need some help. Once we get that help, we can pick up our pieces and move on. Yeah, man, and we really appreciate you guys doing this for us. One love, man.
One love.
One love, yeah.
To my beautiful people of Jamaica, we are with you. Don't worry, it shall be well. I mean, if it is well with us, it shall be well with you all.
While here, he joined forces with his close Jamaican friend Asafa Powell, widely known as one of the fastest men in the world, along with Asafa's wife and members of the community. Together, they went directly into affected communities, handing out care packages, food, and essential supplies to families who had lost so much during the storm. It wasn't just about filming a video. It was about standing with the people. They helped raise money to support rebuilding efforts and showed that when people come together with compassion, even the hardest times can bring out the best in humanity. And that is why many Jamaicans today are expressing deep gratitude. Because we have seen many individuals come to our country, enjoy our culture, build their platforms, make money from our stories. But when the country faces hardship, they disappear. But Wode Maya showed something different. He showed that real friendship between nations is about giving back. His actions remind us that the bond between Africa and the Caribbean runs deep. a shared history, a shared struggle, and a shared spirit of resilience. So today we say thank you. Thank you for caring. Thank you for standing with Jamaica when it mattered most. Respect to Wode Maya, to Asafa Powell, and to everyone who helped bring relief and hope to those who needed it. True kindness travels across oceans, and Jamaica will remember. Respect, this is Mishi Dex. Continue to share the love. Walk good, Jamaica.